Hello everyone! So today's video I could not wait to film. It's going to be a review and unboxing video like I've done previously on my channel of these beautiful Chuck Taylor Converse all-star platforms they're called. Sorry, I'm looking at my phone so I don't forget the name. But yeah, I'm really excited to unbox these for you guys. I did a poll on my Instagram the other day because I've just really been needing more trainers because the Converses that I'm wearing now are getting so destroyed. So I thought, hey, I'm going to put a poll up because I wasn't sure whether to get the Converse platforms or the Vans platform shoes. So I put a little poll up and I'm really shocked. I kind of thought, look, okay, as soon as I'm going to put this poll up, I know for sure Vans is going to win because I feel like everyone kind of wears Vans. I don't really see as many people wear Converse, but I was shocked. I think it was like 40% kind of Vans and 60% for the Converses, which I was shocked. And I ended up finding some slightly different ones to the ones that I was looking at. So I was looking at the normal like all-star platforms. I'll see if I've still got a picture, but I have a feeling I deleted it. Yeah, I got rid of the photo, but I just was looking at the normal basic low top, not the high top platform ones with like the white platform sole, and then I came across these ones which I thought were even cooler and got these, which I will be showing you guys in a second. But thank you to everyone that voted and took part on my poll. I'm really happy now that I actually got Converse. I was like, oh, but do I actually want the Vans ones? I'm not sure. So I'm really glad that I went for the Converse ones now, because to be honest, another ramble, I'm sorry I ramble. I really like the old school Vans, but they're made with suede, so it really puts me off buying them because obviously I'm like cruelty free and I'm not like a vegan or anything, but I don't like having anything, like I would never purchase anything leather or suede. So yeah, I think being a vegetarian and cruelty free, it's kind of against my morals getting suede. Even though I love the look of them, I don't understand why Vans doesn't have like a vegan pair. I have looked for them. If they do, let me know, but I cannot find a vegan pair of them anywhere. So I was just going to get the normal basic ones that are just like all black. But I'd really like the old school ones, so I'm really upset that they don't actually do them in a vegan pair. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing now. I'm going to be showing you guys the shoes because they've literally just come in the mail, and I'm going to be trying them on for you guys and giving you all my thoughts like in my previous unboxings. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I've got the description up here on my phone. And I am going to unbox them for you guys. So I got these off the official Converse UK website, which I will link down below. I could not find this style of them. Like they sell the platform ones everywhere, like ASOS, like Foot Locker, JD Sports, everything. But I could not find this exact style of them anywhere except the Converse website. I don't know if they're new or limited for just that, I don't know, but they had loads more styles on the Converse website than actually on the market on other websites. So these are what they look like. Nothing like majorly exciting, they're just a basic pair of kind of trainers, but that's why I thought it would be fun to show you guys and unbox them because everybody loves a pair of comfy trainers, so I feel like that's the best sort of shoes to review. So these are called, like I said, the Chuck Taylor All-Star Platforms. Not to be confused with, I did do an unboxing like last year sometime on the one-star platforms. They are completely different shoe, in case you guys came across this and was like, isn't that the same shoe? It is not the same shoe. And these are the low tops. You can also get this version with the high top as well, but which I do love them, but I feel like they're annoying to kind of slip on and off. I want these to be a shoe that I'm like, look, I literally need to quickly pop out the house or go do food shopping or run errands, and I can just slip these on. And I wanted a platform pair because I just love platform shoes. Like, I'm quite short and I just love the look of chunky shoes. Like, it's literally my favorite thing. So like I said, I got these on the Converse website and they were £70, which obviously is quite pricey. I know they're more expensive than some of the other pair of Converses that I'd seen, but I did freaking love these. So the difference between these and the other ones that I was looking at was they've got I think it says in the description here actually, they've got like an even thicker platform than the other ones, and they've got all of these funky black stripes. So the only difference really is the black striping and the grey stripe down the sole here, but I really liked them. I feel like it's more eye-catching having this than like a basic white sole. So there's not really much of a description actually on the Converse website for these. Like, I feel like you get a better description on other websites, but it says here, the style you know and love brought to you with a new level. The Chuck Taylor All-Star Platform Sneaker Stacks style features a top-off double-stacked sole for added height. Versatile style that is elevated, and obviously they're made with just canvas and they've got like a rubbery, this is almost like a foamy rubbery sole. I feel like the normal ones kind of just have rubber, but this is kind of like sort of a foam, if that makes any sense to everyone. But it's got a completely rubber bottom and obviously the rubber sides, but this feels to me like it's kind of like a foam kind of fabric, no animal like leather or animal product in just normal canvas Converses or Vans for that matter. So I do freaking love these. They're actually really light as well. I thought they were going to be really heavy, but they are not. They're pretty lightweight. The only thing I worry about is, because there's quite a thick sole, is if I'm going to be able to drive in them, because I'm terrible with driving in really thick soled shoes. So I'm probably going to have to practice a little bit driving in them first, but this is what they look like. They are so pretty. They've got your Converse All-Star label on the front and on the back here. Also to note, these do come in 2 other colours. You can get them in white or red as well. I wanted black obviously because it goes with everything. I do really like the cream and white Converse, but I just feel like they're going to get absolutely minging. But yeah, these are them. There's not really much more to say about them. And to me, they looked massive as well, but I did try it on my foot and it fits kind of perfectly. It's not like snug on my foot, so my foot's got plenty of room. And yeah, so if you are my size, I'm a size 6 here in the UK. It literally, I'd say get your normal size. It's true to size with a little bit of room in it, which is perfect. So I'm now going to try them on. I don't think there's anything I missed with talking about them, and I will show you guys what they look like on the foot and give you kind of my final thoughts. So I hope you guys can see here okay. I've tried to angle my camera as much as possible for you to see the shoes, but these are what they look like on. They are super comfy and you don't feel super high up if the platform kind of idea does scare you a little bit, but they're super comfy. I have tied them up because they are a little bit sloppy on the back. I don't know if you can see, so I feel like if you don't tie them up and you just tuck the laces in, they're literally just going to come off of your foot. I had the same issues with the Converse 1 stars, obviously because they are lower on the foot, you don't have as much grip, so they do feel fine. And the back isn't hard or anything, so when they're slopping, it's not actually like it's going to rub my foot. You can feel that it's obviously a really soft canvas, so it's not anything bad. It's not going to rub or anything or give you blisters, but they are really comfy. I'll probably just tie them a bit tighter when I go out so they don't slop as much, but they are so comfy and I think they look so cute, like especially with these kind of jeans. I think they're like adorable. I think they're amazing. I really love them. Super comfy. They were so easy to slide on, hence why I went for the low tops instead of the high tops, because they're so much harder to get on the foot, but they're better than I thought. I did read up a lot of reviews and a lot of people did say they did slop a lot, so they're not as sloppy, if that makes sense. Like, they're not slipping off my ankle as bad as I thought, and like I said, if I tie them really tight, they're not going to slop. It's not as if like my foot's not going to pop out of it, and my socks aren't disappearing, which is a good thing. That's one thing I hate, is when you're out and about and your sock disappears in your shoe. but I love them. I think they're so pretty, and I'm definitely going to be wearing the crap out of these pretty much all year round. I feel like these will be perfect for summertime and also in the winter time because they're just so nice. So this is what they look like, and I'm really happy with them. Okay, so I'm back after trying them on. So my final thoughts on these shoes. Obviously, I've not worn them out and about yet, but after first trying them on, they are so comfortable. As I did say, the back does slop a little bit, so I do recommend tying them at the front. But it's really soft fabric, so you're not going to get any blisters. They're going to be super comfortable. And the sole is just so bouncy and so comfortable. Like, I can tell I could wear these all around, like a big shopping day or a long day of walking, and they will be really comfy. And yeah, so I'm really happy with them. I think they look so nice, and I'm gonna be wearing the crap out of these. I think these are gonna be like my Vans. I wear, like, I got so many different shoes, and I always just reach for my normal black Vans because I just slip them on and I'm out and I'm gone, and they just look cute. I feel like these are going to be kind of my replacement of them, although I would not wear these out dog walking or anything like that. They're going to be my nice trainers that I wear casually day to day, and not on any mucky dog walks or anything like that, because I want to keep them as nice as possible. But that's the good thing with Converse too, you can just wipe them down. I've even just chucked them in the washing machine before, my other ones, because they just wash really easy in there. So that is it for my little review and unboxing of the Converse All-Star platforms. And like I said, I will link them down below to the official Converse website and the link to the shoes as well. They had loads of different Converse styles on that website that I had not seen anywhere else. So like I said, if you are in the market for a new pair of Converse trainers, then I will link that down below, because that website was really helpful as well. I think when you spend £50 or more, you get free shipping, and it literally came within 2 days, so I'm super duper happy. But anyway, that is it for this little video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I know you guys have enjoyed my other previous unboxing videos on shoes, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you guys have any other video requests, please comment them down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and yeah, leave me some sweet comments down below. Make sure you check out my information box down below, because there's links to my social media sites such as my Instagram down below, so make sure you guys check that out, and there'll be links to previous videos as well. So that's all I have to say for now. I love you guys so much, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.